Hello, physics, DC circuit, potential divider. The circuit is given, the power supply 12 volt, and this is R1 and this is R2. R1 is given 10 ohms. And this is VT, the terminal voltage. The question is the power supply has a fixed output voltage which is of 12 volt, but we need only 3 volts. Question A, what should be the value of R2? And number 2, what is the terminal voltage VT if the load is now 7 ohm instead of whatever it is coming from this one, connecting for 3 volt. So first of all, so we have to find R2 when voltage VR2 is equal to 3 volt. When VR2 is 3 volt, VR1 is equal to 9 volt. And we also know R1 is equal to 10 ohm, 10.0 ohm. So that means V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V1 over R1. So from here, current is equal to V is 9 volt over R1 is 10 ohm. And current is 0.9 ampere. So if it is this one, so then V2 is equal to IR2. That means R2 is equal to V2 over I. V2 is 3 and I is 0.9 voltage at ampere. And this R2 is equal to 3.3 ohm. So now if V2 B question, so this is positive negative, this resistance R1, resistance R2, R1, R2. Now is another load RL. So load is 7 ampere ohm. So now what will be the voltage? So V of the this is equal, parallel circuit. So VT we have to find now, the new one. So this is the combination, parallel combination. R2 is parallel to RL. So R equivalent is equal to 1 over R2 plus 1 over RL. And this is equal to R2 RL, R2 plus RL. And this will be equal to R2 is 3.3 ohm and RL is 7 ohm. 3.3 ohm plus 7 ohm, and this is equal to 12.26 ohm. So now we have to find VT, but for this one we have to find I and then V2. So first this one, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V over R. So the previous one. So I is equal to, if it is 12 over R is 26.26, then current is equal to 0.978 ampere. So V is equal to IR. So this is equal to I is 0.978 ampere and R is equal to 12.26 ohm. So this is equal to 2.2 volt. So this is not included in second case. It's not included. So it's just this one. So in first case is this circuit, positive, negative, this one, this resistor, then it's a resistor, this one, this is V terminal, this is R1, this is R2. Here this is, these are in series, this is in parallel. So series, parallel. So R1 is equal to 10 ohm, R2 is equal to 3.3 ohm. Now in parallel, so R2 is equal to 3.3 ohm and our load is equal to 7 ohm. Here the voltage is equal to 3.0 ohm volt. Here the terminal voltage is equal to 2.2 ohm volt. So series and parallel. So this is a interesting question.